Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Philip, and today I wanted to solve another question I had for myself and other people may have had, and that would be, what would happen if I put a CVT transmission newer model vehicle into reverse while driving? It's actually pretty interesting to see what happens, so I'm going to take you along as I recreate it and show you exactly what happens when you put a moving vehicle with a CVT transmission into reverse while you're moving forward in drive. All right, here's our first test in drive. I'm just gonna go really slow at first, just to kind of give you an idea of what would happen. So let's get it up to about 10 miles an hour. Okay, we're there, we're coasting in a very empty parking lot. And I put it into reverse, neutral, reverse, and we start to slow down. As you get into that 5 mile an hour range, it's gonna pop into reverse like it would with any other car. But as you can see now, we are rolling backwards. It goes straight into reverse, just like nothing ever happened. I'm pressing on the gas and nothing happens. It just revs up, so I'm kind of in neutral. And once you get to about 5 miles an hour, it'll slow down, and all of a sudden you're in reverse, and then now we're moving backwards. All right, we're gonna try it again. So basically what happens when you hit 10 miles an hour is, as soon as you put it into reverse, the backup camera comes on and you have no gas whatsoever. You could floor it and it's gonna rev, so it doesn't kill the acceleration, but it does not keep moving forward. You are in reverse and you're slowing down, and then you go back into reverse as soon as you hit basically 0 miles an hour. But from 5 miles an hour and under, you can kind of feel it shift and pop back into reverse. So that's as if you're rolling, right, like I am now, and then just pop it into neutral, pop it into reverse. Any car does that, and you feel that little bit of a jerk. But let's see what happens if we go a little bit faster, 20 miles an hour. I'm not gonna get crazy and go 60 or 80 because I don't wanna, if anything happens, God forbid, I don't wanna, mess up the car. But let's go 20 miles an hour and see what happens when we pop it in reverse. Let's go. Up to speed, real quick. 20, neutral, reverse. Oh, okay. Nothing. And I'm braking because I'm coming up to a curb here. Backup camera comes on right away, and then you have, your car in reverse. All right, one last time for you guys. I'm gonna try to get it up to, I'm gonna go faster. I just wanna see what happens. So I'm gonna go 40 miles an hour, see if I can get there in this small spot that I'm in. But let's see if we can get up to 30, maybe 40 miles an hour, put it in reverse. One last test, see what happens when you put it in reverse. All right, here we go. "30, reverse." Wow, that's insane. Nothing happens. That is so cool. As I'm turning the wheel too, the dynamic guideline actually works with the backup camera, and I'm circling around this parking lot, just coasting basically in neutral. And as soon as I get down to 5 miles an hour, pop, feel it right there. You can see it. You can see the camera shake a little bit, but now I'm in reverse. I'm just rolling. That's incredible. So I don't think that if I did that on an older model car, it would work out as well, but correct me if I'm wrong if you've done it. I don't want to be the one to try it, but that's awesome. That's insane. I think it's kind of cool that the dynamic guideline actually works as you're steering the steering wheel going forward in reverse. That's insane. All right, guys, let's try it from this angle so you can see what's going on in front of me when I go ahead and do this. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video and the test of what happens when you put a vehicle into reverse while you're in drive. Now, I don't know if it works that way for every vehicle. This is a new 2018 vehicle with the CVT transmission. If you do have a question or a comment, leave it down below.